Oh crap. It looks like my little indexing plate cursor is not working. Yeah, tip's broken right off it. You better order another one, Nimrod. I'll do that. You wait around and bring it to me when it comes. Got it, pal. Well, it took 5 days for indexing Prawl to come, so we kept busy as best we could. Hey, Nimrod, I scared the crap out of your mailman. Well, here it is.
All right, Cracker. Thanks for bringing that in. Let's see. There it is. And I got 2 of them just in case we ever find ourselves in this predicament again. So, change that out. Let me just undo the old. Let's see.
Well, if you made it this far, you should consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.
Super.
Happy hunting, Nimrods.